Да?
Saša,
Yes.
kako ste? Dobro li?
Dobro, dobro. Kako ste vi?
Dobro. Sasha, that's Russian ambassador.
Yes, I know.
Sasha, two questions.
Okay.
First of all, how are you and how is your family?
Very well, thank you.
Well, another question. You last time told me about that fishing shop, and I have written its address somewhere on a piece of paper, and then I lost it. It's in. I understand that it is that fishing shop somewhere in Kislavoda, yeah?
Yes.
And what is the name of the shop?
Trophy.
Trophy?
But I was there, and I told the owner that you might come. So they told me, and he told me that you've been already there, and your driver, Dimitri, how is he named?
No. The driver probably was there, but I wasn't.
Yeah. So your driver knows very well.
But that driver, unfortunately, he left Skopje. He left Skopje, and now I have a new one who doesn't know anything about fishing shops, which is my big problem now. So it is in Kislavoda. It's called Trophy, and I'll definitely find it. No problem.
Exactly where the rampa is.
The rampa is, okay.
Okay,
I'll find it. And Sasha, one small problem which I have.
Okay.
Today, something happened. I didn't know what exactly, but out of 3 TV now works only one. Which is out of 3, which is upstairs on the second floor.
Oh, maybe subscription is
No.
over.
No, I don't think so, because internet works. Secondly, TV upstairs is working.
Okay.
But downstairs and in one of the rooms upstairs, it doesn't work. So I think that if subscription is over, so all of them, they wouldn't be working.
Yeah, but there's three different subscriptions, and maybe only 2 are turned off, and others are still, and one is still active. So I will call the guy.
Will you be so kind to check it up?
Yes.
Okay. And could you please let me know what's going on?
Yes. Okay.
Okay. So you think that it's not a technical problem? It's a
No. It's problem. Its subscription should end at somewhere around 20. I told Nikolai last time when I was there. I told him about the subscription ending.
He didn't tell me about it.
Okay. And I will call the guy now and check about it and call you back, okay?
Okay, thank you, Sasha. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Sure.